Maraiwense yake Mheshimiwa Daktari William Samoei Ruto igobo igara umuyega buko babekera egutwa abali bonse bale kwesoke kula chisemo cha Lanet kutoka se county ya Nakuru asebo igo sukuru eywerengete amangana yuborendi bose babekera egutwa nigo bayigwa okoboko no maraiwense yake Mheshimiwa Daktari William Samoei Ruto asebo iga tumekaliba gili kwa buri abakenya bonse gocha amo nabiga basa ikotatumike mitandao asoko gendereria siasa chitari chingia nabigo siasa chitari murembe asense ya Kenya abotwarere no muri Kito Miyenda Sama
Omuraiwense omoske Dr. William Ruto nigara omoiga bukubekirwe gutwa kwa baroki gwa National Defense University imeyala nete kutoka ase county ya Nakuru gokwana asomoigo yo Ruto nigo abasaba abasaigwe sonania nebikorobyo okonya korento bwa matobia nabo igo gokinia ense ya Kenya asaba bolia boigo kwebwatania aso kurenda ebintu bitwetanaine iriyo gokonya gwakiania omochando bogochinchia kwerire.
I am confident that during your time at this university, you have acquired the skills, learned the techniques, and acquired attitudes necessary to contribute effectively, in a very responsive manner, and in a forward-thinking, solution-oriented manner. I am equally confident that your education and training has equipped you to harness the full spectrum of our nation's potential in diplomatic. You are charged with the critical task of addressing crises as they arise, while anticipating and mitigating future risks. Collaboration with county governments as a means to strengthen the preparedness and effectiveness of crisis response mechanisms nationwide, with particular focus on addressing climate-related disaster.
Kubwatekana no mochando bogo charerwa kwa basubati Ruto niga sabire okobwaterana kwa bonsi ligokora omochando yo.
What is the place of parents? What is the place of family? What is the place of society? What is the place of religion in bringing up a morally upright, patriotic citizenry? So that we can better understand the breakdown that leads into young people committing femicide, the moral challenge we have in families where family members end up being a threat to themselves.
Omoske Ruto boigoni gamorekera obotumiki bwe mitandao ase enchera embe anene mono kogenderia siasa yoborimo ne chinkwana chyoborimo asaboria abasaye koyetumika emitandao eyigokora egasi iriyo kwegendereria.
It is much more easy today to inform the public, to educate the public, to even entertain the public. But also, equally, it is much more easy to misinform the public, to disinform the public, for fake news to travel miles before you know what the truth is, and what effect it has on public understanding and governance and public trust on institutions that are supposed to be responsible for governance.
Kuripoteria egetasini kia Getembe Sam Miyenda.